If you're struggling to get your first 3 clients or feel stuck figuring out what to offer as an agency, this video is actually for you. I'm going to show you how you can get a done-for-you system that actually sells and works without needing to jump on endless sales calls, and that can get you your first 3 clients, earn you monthly recurring revenue while you sell a highly requested service. And I'm also going to show you an example of a real-life brand that's scaling it with this system. Okay, so what is the most common problems of agencies? They're either confused about their offer, they don't know what's working, they don't know how to generate the proper interest for the service they're selling, they get ghosted or ignored, and there's this fear of sales. Most agency owners just want to run their businesses. Jumping on calls can be very annoying. I know, and I strongly agree on that. So that's why I'm going to show you today how you can package everything that you are servicing without the need of jumping on sales calls. So what is the solution for all of this? The solution for all of this are AI systems. Now, what do I mean by AI systems? AI systems are basically digital infrastructures that businesses need in order to function. So let me show you what I mean. We have our service businesses here. So whether it's med spa, clinic, dentists, coaches, these businesses need a couple of services in order to run. They need to get leads, they need to book appointment, they need to follow up automatically, send reminders, manage conversation and stuff like that, because this is the engine of their business. So let's say this is our old task that a business needs to run in order to be successful, to be profitable, right? They need to get leads, they need to book appointment, they need to follow up, and so on and so forth. So now here's where you come in. You can productize these services and sell it to these businesses for a monthly recurring fee. I'm going to show you how you can do that with only one unique software. So let me show you how this works. So this is you with your agency. If you add this all-in-one software that you can actually brand it with your own logo and sell it as your own to these businesses, you will be able to sell all the services that these businesses need in order to be successful, and you can package it and sell this for a monthly recurrent fee. And these businesses are going to pay you because the system works and you're actually solving a real problem for them. Let me show you the software real quick. So this is the software I'm talking about. You'll find a 14-day free trial so that you can check it out for yourself and see how it works. I will also attach some ready-to-use systems that I've built, and you can import them and start to use them and sell to your clients. But as you can see here, there's a bunch of stuff you can do with the software. You can create AI agents, you can create automations, you can build website funnels, you can send out Google request reviews automatically to clients, build CRMs, build pipelines, build booking systems, AI chat flows, and a lot more stuff. And the cool thing about this is that you can brand everything, offer all the services, and brand it with your own logo. You can sell this whole systems, this whole entire services, sell it as your own branded platform. Let's see how your agency is transformed when you have the software to offer as a service. So now we have the same service businesses, but now you can sell all the services that they need. So from appointment booking to lead capturing to a proper funnel and AI agents that talk with the leads, a proper CRM to track the leads and stuff like that. Basically, all the services that these businesses need, they can get from you, and in return, these businesses will pay you anywhere between $297, $597 a month, plus one-time setup fee, plus an optional monthly maintenance, just to use your software. Because your software is so efficient, it's saved them a lot of time and money that they will want to stick with you. If you're offering this type of productized system, you will get monthly recurring revenue. You are actually offering a real solution that solves a real business problem to these service businesses. The clients will stick way longer. It's way easier to sell because you can actually show a demo of how the software works and how It can simplify their lives. Everything is automated for them. You build it once, you sell it forever, and you are stress free. You're really stress free. If you're running a traditional agency, you know how much of a stress it is. Now, I know maybe some of you will start asking themselves, why should this business is stuck with my branded software instead of all the other softwares that are available? So I went to do a quick research to find how much these individual services will cost the business owner. So for lead capture funnels, they will use either ClickFunnels or Lead Pages, and that's anywhere between $97 to $147. For smart booking systems, you're looking anywhere $15 to $50. AI powered follow up and SMS automation, $49 to $200+. Missed call text back, you're looking at $20 to $60. CRM pipeline and tracking, 30 to 300 plus. Reputation management, anywhere between $200 and $400. Calendar reminders, $25 to $50. Website landing pages, $20 to $100. Centralized communication, where you have your chats, your emails, social DMs, and stuff like that. Anyway, it's between $50 to $150. So the total of these services is going to be anywhere between 500 to 1.4. And I'm not even including the setup fee, because most of these business owners are in different niches, so they're not really tech savvy, right? So they will have double the amount of headache just to learn how to install the softwares in their business. And you will be selling all of these services in one unique, personalized, well packaged service solution to these business owners for anywhere between $297 and $597. I don't know about you, but this for me is a steal. Having all of this, you can actually show in your demo calls to your clients how much they are saving with you compared to having all of these services from different softwares. First of all, everything is in one unique software. You're saving them time, you are saving them money, and plus, you can set it up for them. It's a win-win situation. You set it up once for them, it runs autonomously, and then they don't need to set up anything. They just need to run their business as usual. It's the best service to offer. If you're planning to start an agency, you need to sell this type of services. And you don't even need to worry if you don't know how to build a website or set up automation. All of these services can be outsourced, and you can charge the client a fee, let me say $500, and then outsource it for $150 to $200, and you're pocketing the difference. Plus, you're getting that monthly recurring revenue because they will be using your software. This agency game has never been easier. If you're offering a commoditized service, please attach this service to your offer, and you will see that your clients will find more value in this software, and you will get more money actually from this software. It's insane. Now, once you go to offer this type of service for businesses, you will see that first of all, they will listen to you because you are solving a real life problem. And for the AI factor as well. AI is the new meta now, is the new narrative. Everyone want to get involved. They don't understand it, especially this type of service businesses. They're new to it. But you can position yourself well as an expert, show it to them, sell it to them. They're going to get a lot of benefit from it. Automating everything in their businesses is going to save them time and money. And once it comes about saving time and saving money, you will get the attention of a business owner. Trust me on that. I want to show you an example of a brand that is actually killing it with this system. Now, this company here, Doc, is a multi-million-dollar company that offers an AI-powered platform specifically for doctors, clinics, and healthcare providers. And guess what? This entire system you see is built on the same platform I'm showing you, on the same all-in-one software I'm showing you. The one thing that I want you to notice is that they're not marketing themselves as a software reseller. They are providing a branded platform that actually helps clinics get more patients. and actually run the business more smoothly. And they can charge anywhere between 300 to 600 or more per client because their service is impeccable. The branding is impeccable. Now let's see what I mean when I say this brand is a branded platform of this. So there are a couple of services that DearDoc offers, and I've listed them all here. And these are the names you can find in the all-in-one software. They have Missed Call AI, and this is simply an automated follow-up. So if you go here, you go on automations, you can build a workflow that's going to follow up with a lead as soon as they have a missed call. AI Smart Chat is simply an AI chatbot. You go here, on AI agents, you'll be able to create your own AI agent, whether voice agent or conversation agent, that's going to communicate with your leads and book appointments 24/7. They offer a review generator. It's simply a reputation automation workflow. So once again, you come here on reputation, you'll be able to send a Google review request to the client of the business you're working with. Same thing for text to pay. It's simply a payment workflow automation. Telemedicine platform. It's simply an appointment booking system plus a calendar integration. They use all these fancy names. It works. These are all services you can brand and sell it as your own. Now, the power of DearDoc is that they've picked a niche, in this case, the healthcare. They've customized the platform to serve that specific niche. They know how to talk to clinics. They've branded the platform perfectly. They're focused on the result they provide and not the tech behind it. Their main focus is the productized system that is going to benefit the healthcare niche. Now, you may be asking yourself, why don't these business owners just do this by themselves, since it's so easy? First of all, they don't even know that this kind of systems exist. They're not searching on YouTube for AI systems for their niches. And thirdly, they are busy running their businesses. They have family. They have other things to think about. And this creates a gap in the market that you can fill. This is a great opportunity. Sell systems, talk to businesses, understand what the problems are, find a solution for their problem, productize that solution, and sell it as a packaged service system. The potential of this software is insane. There are many other brands I'm going to show you in other videos as well. So let me know if you want to see videos breakdown of other brands that are killing it with this exact same software. So this is all for this video. Make sure you check the link below for a 14-day free trial of the amazing software that I just showed you. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you put a thumbs up, you subscribe so you don't miss future value-based videos like this. As always, work smart and see you in the next one.